Hey YouTube, just making another video. I wanted to show you guys, I've just landed the Chinook helicopter on my friend's Titan, which is really joke, and we're just gonna see if we can take off and do some weird shit. Okay, cool. So we're starting the video. Okay, you can talk now. Okay, let's go.
God.
Okay, see if you can take off. Oh my god. Okay, that didn't work. It was still good. It was still cool though. my helicopter's stalling. Wait, I can't go up. Oh, I can't control my helicopter.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost crashed.
Go up. Oh wait, I'm on my menu. Go up.
I don't know where you are. Where the hell are you?
I'm trying to drive with one hand, cause I'm holding my camera. Oh, I've lost you. I don't even know where you are.
Look on your map. It shows a red dot.
Wait. Okay, I'll see you.
I'm scanning for you. Where the hell are you?
I'm near the end of the runway. Oh, wait, I see you. You're in front of me. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
You were so low to get hitting the ground then. This is cool. Oh, so guys, yeah, I've just reached rank 22, and that's when you unlock the Chinook, this helicopter, and this will spawn at any airport, any helipad. My friend's Titan. Tell them when you unlock the Titan. When do you unlock it? What level?
Level 55.
Okay, so yeah, level 55. You unlock. Oh my god, are you in the water?
I crashed my airplane.
Wait, I'm coming down. Coming down.
Good idea, right?
I'm gonna see if I can pick you up. This is gonna be. Oh my
I
god.
wonder why it wasn't driving. I had a freaking fence stuck in my controller.
Come get in. I'll pick you up. Oh, the door's opening. The back door's opening.
Make them off the airplane.
Are you? What?
Make them off the airplane.
Oh, land on top. Okay. I'll try to. It's hard to do. It's hard enough to drive a helicopter, yeah, let alone with one hand. Oh my god, this is hard. Oh crap. Oh crap.
I'm falling.
Oh my god.
Okay, just go land over there, I guess.
Wait, come get in, so I can pick you up. Wait, don't kill me. Okay, come on, get in.
The back door's not opening.
No, the back door doesn't open. Oh.
Get in. There.
Okay, so we're just.
What's that noise?
Oh, I'm playing. Oh, you'll hear playback because I'm playing the sound from my TV, so these YouTube viewers can hear us. So you're hearing it through Skype and through this, I think.
No, I'm talking about. You're gonna put on the game.
I don't know. It's probably the helicopter. Yeah. Oh crap! You jumped out. Oh, parachute. Wait, I'm gonna jump out as well. That's gonna be cool. Oh, okay. So YouTube, update. I have bought a house, and if you've been looking with my videos, oh, I just got a Mile High Club award. That's cool. 200 XP. Yeah, I just wanted to say I have now got the Titan, not the Titan, what am I talking about? The armoured truck. I did a glitch and it's now in my garage, so I'm going to make a video later to show you guys that. And I also got the FBI SWAT car, which people can hang on the side. I got that in my garage as well, so I'm going to make a video on that later.
I'm jamming for you.
Oh my god. Oh, land with a bang. Wow. Did you just get that bounty now?
No, I didn't.
Oh, you didn't? I was
I
gonna say.
never said I did.
I was gonna
Oh
say.
my god, you almost ruined my helicopter.
I remember you destroyed me, you obliterated me. Oh, you died. Okay, so
You like landed right in the area of my propellers, of course.
I couldn't see you. I'm trying to record a video here. I'm sorry. Anyway,
How
so
can you not see a big airplane coming your way?
I don't know. But the video will back me up. I didn't see you. I don't think. I was looking forward anyway. Anyway, so are you gonna say bye to the viewers? Because I'm ending the video.
Adios, amigos, which means bye.
Yeah. Okay. Blah blah blah. Which is zombie speak for bye. Because yeah. Okay. Bye. See you later, guys.
I found it in the airport.
What's up?
I found it in the airport, yeah.
Oh, you. Oh, I didn't. Penis.
I'm a boss like that.
Okay. See you later, guys.